Oh, hello. Is this real?
Pokémon Ruby.
Oh, these are sweet. Yeah, all four.
Last week, that was
Yeah.
that was a cool one.
Oh, this fish is
50 cents.
50 cents.
Oh, you want all of them?
Yeah,
what do you want?
Probably the Oreos and these, like these 5 here.
$2.
See what this was.
He told him $2 for the karaoke machine because the back is broken. Okay. He has a little skillet over there.
Hey.
He has to do $3 for both of them.
Oh, that's neat.
Thank you.
It's fun.
It's crazy.
Yeah, right? How about
I
that?
used to take one to school.
I have a newer version one.
And then how much were you asking for this hoodie?
$5.
$5 for that.
Yeah. It's actually, my daughter had a school bus that
Yeah.
she was converting, and the Patriots actually sponsored her.
Oh, really?
So
That's
she
awesome.
got a bunch of free stuff.
That's so cool, actually.
But
I'll grab both of these. I have $2 worth of mugs. Could I just do 10 for all of it? Would that be all right?
they're separate. Yeah, the 2 separate orders.
Okay, that's fine. No worries. All right, thank you so much. Hi, I just had some questions what you're looking for on some of these.
Do you want $3 each?
$3 each? Stealing my guns right now?
And everything.
Stealing my guns right now? That's a definite. Oh, it's not working at all?
No, because there's 5 different
is
kinds. Yeah, so is this one. I said this one. Oh. This one's not doing anything. It's like stuck forward. They won't go in because the piston is all the way forward. Like it needs to come back. It should be white.
How about this guy? Probably broken for sure. Yep, wow. How do you break so many Nerf guns? I left behind majority of these Nerf guns because they were either broken or missing a piece, but looking back I would reconsider them because you can piece them out for parts and make some pretty good money selling them that way. I'm gonna grab this one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shit. Look at that.
Ooh, vinyl records. Remember when you were?
I do.
Yeah, you
Oh,
go.
hello. Is this real? Hi, is this yours?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. What did you have on your Pokemon Ruby?
Oh, Drea. Pokémon Ruby. Game.
What's that? $3. Do you know if it works or anything, or?
I don't.
Just
I
Liz?
think it
Yeah.
needs a little. I guess there's a battery. And
Yeah, it doesn't have the battery. Yeah.
stuff.
All
I
right,
mean,
that's
it
fine.
used to work. So.
All right, no worries.
Junk albums and
Leftovers.
empty covers for 50 cents each.
Yeah, I hear you.
And then 10 for those, and then 5 for everything in the colored bins.
Are you resellers? Is that or
Yeah,
sell online?
I deal with
Deal-
the
yeah,
collect.
I figured.
This stuff here actually came out of our own collections. We had well over 2,000 albums, and I'm
Yeah.
like, you know what? Oh, we're not going to listen to them all.
Awesome. Did any change for?
Sure.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. So, I forgot to record our last stop, but I picked up this Mr. Incredible and Jack Jack toy for $2. I also grabbed this Aladdin Disney Store plush with the tag for only $1, and I grabbed these Scooby-Doo DVDs for $2. So, a quick profit recap. For the items being listed on eBay, I expect a conservative $198 in net sales. After eBay fees and cost of goods sold, we are left with $145 in potential profit from today's trip. The Pokemon Ruby game was by far my favorite find for the day. It turned out to have a dead battery, but it was authentic and it still sold for $65 plus shipping. And although Cam Newton doesn't play for the Patriots anymore, the jersey I picked up still sold really quick for $25 plus shipping. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It really helps our videos rank higher in the YouTube algorithm, and the same goes for when you hit that like button and comment down below. And as always, catch you next time on